Thank you very much for that 1.3% gain coming in on Bajaj Auto. Let's talk about IT now. IT is on the back foot today. And one of the reasons is that Nasdaq, of course, slipped about 1.25%. So that has a rub-off impact on Indian IT. But there is also an interesting note coming out of Jefferies on the Indian tech space, which I'd like to highlight. They're basically saying that the top clients of Indian IT companies, their revenue estimates have been coming down. And historically, there is a very high correlation between the revenue growth, the profit growth of the top clients of the IT companies and what the Indian IT companies end up reporting. There is a very high correlation. According to them, it's close to about 84%. So when your client performance, client financials start deteriorating, it's bound to have a rub-off impact on the Indian IT companies' growth financial. And that's why they're saying there is a possibility that consensus estimates of Indian IT companies could face further pressure from current levels. According to their analysis, Coforge, Wipro, LTIMindtree, these are most at risk. So basically, Jefferies has analyzed the top clients of all these companies, and based on their analysis, they're saying Coforge, Wipro, LTIMindtree at most at risk. Infosys and TCS are better placed. So their top clients are not showing a weakness in financials. In fact, their metrics appear to be improving. So they're okay in Infy and TCS. Tech Mahindra's expectations of growth matches what we are expecting from the top clients and the consensus estimates over there. So it's evenly balanced. But on the subject of valuations, they're saying that while Indian IT has corrected from its peak valuation multiple, it's still trading at one standard deviation above its historical averages, which means it's more expensive than what it historically used to trade with. It's now trading at a 26% premium to the Nifty versus an average premium of 11%. But according to them, TCS Infosys valuation premium may sustain because if things go south, Infy and TCS are better placed. There is a flight to safety given a recessionary environment. But amongst these two, their preference is for Infosys. So basically what they're trying to say is the top clients of the IT companies, and these are all global clients, right? They've analyzed the financials and those appear to be deteriorating and consensus expectations of their clients is coming down. So therefore, they fear that IT may also see some downward revision in expectations.
Okay, 0.7% of a lower tick is what we are seeing on the IT index today. We'll do one thing, we'll slip into a short break and we'll get you more on the IndusInd Bank story on the other side with Lata. Stay tuned.
ए लड़की तेरा नाम